Our home is indeed our castle, but don't bug out, because sometimes we are inadvertently sharing our space with some unwanted creepy crawlers. They may be lurking under the floorboards, perhaps even in our beds. But help is on the way. One unique service is making sure we can have peace of mind at home, from the inside out.
Pompano Beach is awesome. For me, it's the best place in South Florida. It's a little break from all the craziness that's going on in Miami, but you still get to enjoy the beach. You still get to enjoy everything that South Florida has to offer.
My name is Morel.
And my name's Dominic.
So we treat pest activity of all kinds in residential homes. So I show up to a customer's home, take care of their pest problems, both inside and out. My name is Trent Frazer. I'm a certified service professional for Aptive Environmental. I'm here to take care of the customer here. So I'm going to be matching the customer with the perfect package that's custom suited to make sure we take care of their pest problem entirely.
The roaches are definitely the worst.
There's a lot of concerns that I have about the pests. I don't want anybody in my family to get sick from any of the things that they might transmit.
The spider was really a scare because I think it was a dangerous spider that we had out back.
We thought it was a brown recluse that ended up being a wolf spider, but still, you don't want spiders everywhere biting people. Well, it's like an invasion. You don't really feel safe. I mean, these little things are just everywhere. They're eating the wood in your attic. They're crawling in your walls. There's no escape.
I had a roach crawl on the wall in my room and I just could not handle it. So it was a really scary. I'm really scared of roaches in particular.
Yeah, as a service professional, I have the opportunity to make sure our customers enjoy their home. So I'm able to arrive here, assess the situation, see what the problem is, see what might be causing it, and take care of it for them.
Oh my gosh, I can't sleep. I literally stayed up all night one night because I saw one. And then finally fell asleep, but I left all the lights on. If I see one under the couch, I have to pull everything away and I can't sleep until I actually find it and kill it.
So when I arrived, I talked to Dominic and Morel about their pest problem. They communicated that they had a lot of roach problems, and that's what she was primarily concerned about. And so I assessed the situation, inspected their kitchen, and did see some roach activity. So I know exactly what to do to take care of that. Also saw their spider and ant activity, and so I'm gonna be treating both the current condition to make sure that I take care of what's here now, and then putting treatments down to make sure that I can take care of them for the future as well.
We just couldn't handle it ourselves anymore because we were trying to, treat and get rid of them and clean the house and do everything we could. But the truth is, once they get in, you can clean the house as much as you want. You can try to get your own kind of store-bought products, but nothing compares to getting a professional in here to do the job.
So when I was hired by Aptive, they put me through a pretty intensive curriculum where they taught me that in order to take care of pests, I have to know where they live, what they're eating, what they're drinking, and how they're entering. And so if I identify what they're eating, then I can resolve that with the customer to make sure that there's no reason to be there in the first place. If I know where they're living, then I can treat them there, treat them at the source and take care of them. And then if I know where they're entering, I can put down a barrier and protect the home itself. So that way I can get rid of what's here now, and I can create an environment where they won't be able to reinfest and come back inside the home.
Before Aptive, it was like having an invasion. I didn't feel safe in my home, my kids didn't feel safe, my wife really didn't feel safe. So after Aptive, it was like we could breathe free and we were able to relax and enjoy our home.
Customers want to feel safe in their home, so we use the highest quality products and service to provide that peace of mind.
My advice is if you're thinking about calling Aptive, to do it, because who wants to live with all these pests? It's like an invasion.
I have peace of mind now after using Aptive because I know that my home is safe for my pets and my children, and we can just enjoy everything and not worry about any pests.
My favorite part of my job is I get to serve my customers all day long. It's extremely gratifying for me. And if the bugs come back, Aptive comes back at no additional cost.
To learn more about Aptive and keeping your home pest-free, visit goaptive.com. or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.